Hi guys, Zach here and welcome back for your wake up warm up for rolling week. Okay, so first I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing today. So today, because it is rolling week, we're going to be rolling the dice which decides what exercise we're going to be doing. Okay, so right, let's start off with our bell and our warm up. So hands and feet together. 1, 2, 3, respect! Okay guys, jogging on the spot for me. Nice and fast. Trons out to the front. Up to the ceiling. Down to the floor. And out to the sides. When I say go, we're going to do star jumps, 10 of them to my count. You ready? Steady. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right arms forwards. And backwards. As your hips up, your hips. And either way. Hands on your knees, up your knees. And either way. Lift one leg up, circle your ankle. Don't fall over like me. And either leg. Okay then guys, we're going to do 10 more star jumps. Ready, steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And everyone in ready stance for me. Okay guys, so I'm going to tell you what number means which exercise. But don't worry if you don't remember them, because I'll tell you which one we're doing. Okay, so number 1 will be high knees. So we're going to do our high knees. Then 2 is squats. 3 is going to be press ups. 4 is going to be lunges. 5 is star jumps. And then number 6, the big one, is burpees. Okay? All right then, let's get started. So I'm going to roll the dice. Let's have a look, what's it going to land on? Can you tell me what this is? It's 5. Okay, right. Ready? Okay, right, so we're going to do star jumps. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, well done guys. Okay, right. In the rest, I'm going to roll the dice again. Oh, let's have a look. What's this? Number 2, squats. Okay, right. So we're going to do squats. We all know what squats is. We bend our legs down, keep our back straight, and we stand straight back up. Are you guys ready? Go! Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Keep going. Excellent work, guys. You're doing really well. And time. Okay, right, we're going to roll the dice again. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 5, which is star jumps. Okay, so we've got an easy one this time. Are you ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count with me again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many did you do, guys? Let me know. Okay, right. Let's roll the dice again. What's this? 2. Okay, right, we got squats again. You ready? Oh, all these squats. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Keep going, nice and strong. Strong legs. Don't give up. You're doing really well. Excellent work. Keep going, keep going. Well done, guys. Okay, right. Gonna roll the dice again. What's this? 2. Okay, right. Squats again. Oh no. Oh. Our legs are going to be burning by the end of this. All right, keep going. Oh no. Oh. I think there's something wrong with the number 2. Keep going. Excellent work. Okay, time. Right. Big throw this time, see if we can get a different number. Oh, what's this? Oh, we got burpees. Okay, so we all know what a burpee is. We tuck jump and then we sprawl. 2, 1, go! Oh, done. Jump as high as you can, see if you can touch the roof. And go back down. Touch the roof and down. Touch the roof and down. Touch the roof and down. Keep going. Excellent work, guys. Okay, right. Gonna roll the dice 2 more times now. Ready? What's this? Number 1. Okay, so we got high knees. So we're gonna be running on the spot with high knees. We haven't done this one yet. Go! Oh, I'm tired out. Oh. Keep going, guys. Excellent work. You're doing really well. Okay, guys, right, this is the last one. Hopefully it is good. Oh, no. Look what it is again. Last one, and it's number 2. I think we all remember what this is. Squats again. Oh, go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, no, my legs are hurting. Keep going, keep going. Excellent work. Well done, guys. Super work, you're doing really well. Okay, guys, time. Right. We're going to have a little stretch and then we're going to bow out and I'll have to say goodbye to you all. Okay, right, so everyone sitting down for me. Got to get those leg stretches in. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Try and reach your toes. Remember, it's really important to stretch after you've done exercise. And switch legs. Both legs out, try and touch toes. Oh, nearly, it's just about. Oh. Okay, super work, guys, today. We've had a little bit of a special one for rolling week with the dice. Hopefully, next time we do this, it won't keep landing on number 2. Okay, right, so I'll see you soon, guys, and let's bow out to finish. Right, ready? We all know what we say. Respect, ready? 1, 2, 3. Respect. Super work, guys, and I'll see you soon.